Corey Johnson with Pohl Transportation. Today we're going to learn how to use our mirror check systems. As you can tell, John is lining up the truck to be parallel with line A. As he pulls up, he will make sure that he comes to a complete stop at line B, where his mirrors should be even with the line. Rotate both flat mirrors horizontally until the inside edge picks up the left and right rear corners of the truck or body trailer. Then tilt both flat mirrors vertically until target C is visible on the bottom edge of the mirrors. Rotate both convex mirrors horizontally until the inside edge picks up the left and rear corners of the truck body or trailer. Then tilt both convex mirrors vertically until target C is visible in the top edges of the mirrors. Thank you for watching our mirror check system video. If you need more visual assistance, we have copies in the driver's lounge at the office and at the shop.